Hello, you're watching Proactive London. I'm joined by Nicole Galloway-Warland, Managing Director at Thor Energy. And Nicole, you're up with an exploration update from regional surface sampling at the Wading Bell and Radium Mountain projects in the US, and it all looks very promising.
Yeah, it does. Look, this announcement's really just to highlight some of the work that we've been undertaking over the last few months. We're obviously planning our resource and infill drilling at Groundhog and Rimrock. But in conjunction to that, we've been busy on the ground doing reconnaissance regional rock chip sampling. And what I've highlighted in this announcement is some of the exciting results that we got at Edna May prospect in the south.
Well, take us through some of those results and the highlights of that sampling, Nicole.
Yeah, so last year we did a radiometric survey over the project. This is the first time high-level detailed radiometrics has been flown in the area. And from that, we identified quite a lot of anomalies. And so we're going around and testing those. And one of the areas we highlighted was the Edna May prospect to the south. So we got down there and did some rock chip sampling, returned up to 0.55% uranium, 1.6 vanadium. But what was interesting is the 2.7% copper. So that's a little bit different to our normal uranium vanadium, but we know in these sedimentary systems they do host copper. So we were quite, excited by that. It's a little bit different to the uranium that we've been traditionally following up on.
In the meantime, preparations are underway for your 2024 drilling programs, and those include plans to drill at the Vanadium King project, Nicole.
That's correct. We've sort of been promising to drill over there and have yet to do that. So as part of this year's program, we are planning to do our maiden drilling at Vanadium King.
So what's some of the news flow that your investors should be looking out for then in the months ahead, Nicole?
So we'll be continuing with our rock sampling program across the project area. So there'll be obviously news flow from that. I think the most exciting one will obviously be the resource drilling at Rimrock and Groundhog. So look forward to getting that out to the market. And then also our maiden drilling over in Vanadium King project over in Utah. So I think over the next few months, there'll be quite a bit of news flow coming out of our US projects.
Well, we look forward to discussing that with you as it comes out. Nicole, thank you very much for the update today.
My pleasure. Thanks, Stephen.
Nicole Galloway-Warland is Managing Director of Thor Energy.